Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. I filmed my charm dangle, which is here for you, and apparently didn't record, so I'm refilming it. So I'm going to show you how to make one. I don't have the exact same size of swivel clasp, but that's what you need. You need some charms. I'm going to use some eye pins. They have a little eye at the top, and we're going to feed some beads onto that and put that on there. Of course, I have some beads. I have my jump rings here. I'm going to use this sort of medium size, and then I do have some spacer charms. These are pretty cool and fun to add to anything. So first, you're going to use your swivel clasp. This is a chain connect to a clasp. Going to take my eye pin and hold it upside down, and I'm just going to add some beads to it, and you can add any beads that go with your theme. We're just going to add some pretty beads here and just another small one. Here we go. So you need to leave a bit at the top to connect to your charm. So I just twist it, and I'll show you again here. Just twist it. That might not be quite long enough, but we'll see if we can make it work. I just used my needle nose pliers. I twist it like that, and then I'm going to add it to my chain. So I put it onto the chain where that loop is that I just made, and usually I use my needle nose pliers to do that. And pull it over, and then I'm just going to crimp it into place, just like that. So I'll show you once more, and then that's going to hang down there. So I've got my eye pin. I just put a charm on there, any bead charm that you like. So we'll use a pretty pearl one, and then we can do a spacer with blue. These are real pretty, and they're shiny. And then, let's see, we need another small pin. Oh, this little bead here has a star on it. That's pretty. Then we're just going to take needle nose pliers again. I hold them like my hand upside down, and then I just roll it, and then that makes my loop. And I'm just going to connect it here to my chain. And I just space these out since I'm doing only 3. I space them out a bit so that they're not all clustered together. And sometimes it's a little bit of a work to get that twisted on. There you go. And then I'll do one more, and then I will just add my charms onto different spaces. Once you have your little bead dangles that you want, I usually just grab a jump ring, and I'll twist it open with my needle nose pliers. So you can see how important this tool is. I'll add my charm to it, and then I will put my charm onto my chain here with my swivel clasp. And then you can see how pretty that just makes the whole thing. And you can do this for any theme that you want. Let's see, where's my opening? I'll just open it up and add the charm. So I will show you here again the one that I've completed, and you can see how easy it is to really put it together. Now I added charms to the ends of my eye pins too. So this is the one that I created, adding charms to the end, and it looks so pretty and full, and I hope you love it. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, here is my charm dangle. I'm going to attach it here, and I probably will just attach it onto the actual book ring that I'm using for my tassel. But I wanted to show it to you and show you how pretty it looks, and I did add charms to the bottom of each of the